Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and the hydrangeas are blooming, and it's midsummer, but it is time for garden cleanup of perennials. So, in this container here, I have one of my favorite perennials. This is a euphorbia. It's called Glacier Blue Euphorbia. It has these beautiful steely green, gray, blue leaves. But you can see that the flowers are spent, as in the flowers are done blooming. And so now's the time to get in here, follow the stem downward of the spent flower and cut this off close to the ground. And you can see when I do that, that is going to allow this new young sprout to shoot up, and I'll get rid of the spent ones. So here's another one. Flowers are brown. Follow the stem all the way down. Cut it down nice and low, right where I see that new growth coming up. So by doing this to all the spent ones, what I'm going to be left with is a container of nice, fresh growth, and another couple years, this euphorbia can stay in this same large container, and it'll be just fine. Now, one more tip. You see as I'm clipping down the spent euphorbia that I am wearing gloves. The reason is that euphorbia has a milky white sap. Now that I've cut these off, I'm going to come back, and you're going to see a close-up of this milky white sap. See it right here? And this is toxic to some people that are allergic to it. It gives them a terrible rash. So you can see it on my clippers even. So that's why you want to wear gloves when you're clipping something with sap like euphorbia. I'm lucky it doesn't really bother me, but a lot of people it does give them a rash. You never know when you will develop a rash from euphorbia, so wear your gloves, clip back your spent euphorbia blossoms, and you'll have a whole new, freshened up look in your summer garden. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.